With billions of daily searches on Google, the potential for reaching new customers is huge. But how do you cut through the noise and get your product or service in front of the right people? Discovery Ads is the advertising tool that allows you to showcase your brand to a highly targeted audience across multiple Google platforms. My name is Alejandra, I'm a Community Management Coordinator at Whiteshare Media, and today I will share with you all there is to know about this type of ad. Google Discovery Ads are highly visual ads used to target a specific audience. This ad format can help you drive more sales or leads with up to 3 billion people as they scroll through content on YouTube, Discover, and Gmail. In essence, Google Discovery Ads are more powerful than conventional display ads because they respond better to the needs of your targeted audience. Benefits of using discovery campaigns: more reach with a single campaign. As purchase journeys become more complex and encompass more channels, it is crucial to have a strong whole funnel strategy. Reaching people when they're open to discovering something new is just as important as targeting them when they're looking for something specific. Increase brand awareness and user engagement. This campaign type is ideal for promoting products and services while building your brand's image in front of the users that matter most and capturing your audience attention by creating engaging ads. Reconnect with valuable customers. As consumers return over time to find the content they enjoy on Google's feed, discovery campaigns give you more opportunities to drive actions from people who already know your brand and are more likely to engage with it again. Machine learning. Discovery ads, like responsive display ads, adapt to the placement on which they are displayed. Google will test different variations of images, headlines, and descriptions, and use image learning to determine which variation is best to show to a user at any given time. Set up Google Discovery Ads. Google recommends using high-quality imagery that conveys the core of your business to ensure that your ads feel both authentic and highly relatable to your audience. Your images will be the first thing people notice when they come across your discovery ads, so be sure to use the highest possible image resolution. Also, highlight your product or service to help people instantly understand what you're showcasing. Asset specifications. Use up to 5 headlines with no more than 40 characters and 5 descriptions with no more than 90 characters. Highlight your business name and make sure it does not contain more than 25 characters. Include a final URL, a call to action, your logo, and images, which can be landscape or square. Closing thoughts. In the ever-evolving landscape of online advertising, staying ahead of the curve with the latest trends and updates is essential for marketers and business owners seeking to remain competitive. Discovery ads are a game changer because they can reach audiences where they spend most of their time within Google's ecosystem. So now it's your time to give them a try and take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching our full video. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notifications bell for more. Bye!